county until 8:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ohatchee, or 7 miles northwest of Sax, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour of gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Anniston, Oxford, Jacksonville, Fort McClellan, Sax, Cobb Town, West End Cobb Town, Weaver, Ohatchee, Hudson City, Oxford Lake, Blue Mountain, Bingham, Alexandria, Jacksonville State University, Neely Henry Lake, Anniston Army Depot, Chilcolaco, Dearmanville, and Wellington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Calhoun, Alabama,